Welcome to our video on the element of design for fashion. Fashion is not just wearing clothes but about expressing yourself and creating a unique style. To do that, you need to understand how to use the element of design to create the outfit that are visually appealing and functional. In this video, we will explain what the element of design are and how to use them effectively in fashion. For some time, we are sharing different ways to style yourself through our post, but today we will see it from the different scenario. Our first element of design is shapes and form. Shape and form refer to the silhouette or outline of an outfit. They can be created by the cut, fit, and structure of the garment. Shapes and form can be used to enhance or conceal the different parts of the body and to create balance and proportion in an outfit. For example, a dress with a fitted waist and A-line skirt creates an hourglass shape that flatters most body types. On the other hand, a dress with a loose fitted and straight cut creates a rectangular shape that can be styled with accessories or layers. The second element of design is texture. Texture refers to the feel, appearance, or consistency of fabric. Texture can add dimension and interest to an outfit and create a tactile experience for the wearer and viewer. For example, lace adds a delicate and feminine touch to an outfit, while velvet adds a luxurious and rich feel. Fur adds warmth and coziness, while leather adds edginess and toughness. Texture can also affect how light reflects on fabric, creating different effects such as shiny, matte, or metallic. The third element of design is color. Color is one of the most popular elements of design in fashion. Color can evoke different moods, emotions, and meaning. For example, red is often associated with passion and intensity, while blue is associated with calm and tranquility. Color can also affect how we perceive the size and the shape of an outfit. For example, dark color tend to make an outfit look smaller and slimmer, while light color tend to make an outfit look larger and fuller. Colors can be used to create contrast, harmony, or to make a statement in an outfit. The fourth element of design is pattern. Pattern refer to the design that repeats themselves on the fabric. Pattern can add variety and interest to an outfit and are often used to create movements and balance in an outfit. Pattern can be geometric, such as stripes, polka dot, or checks, or organic, such as floral prints, animal prints, or paisley. Pattern can also vary in size, scale, orientation, and color. When using pattern in fashion, it is important to consider how they matches or clash with each other and how they complement or distract from the shapes and form of the outfit. The fifth element of design is line. Line refer to the direction of an outfit and it can instantly change the overall look and feel of an outfit. Line can be created by seams, stitches, pleats, folds, buttons, zippers, or any other features that creates a visual path on the garment. Line can be used to create balance, rhythm, and movement in an outfit. For example, vertical line can create an elongated and slimming effect. Horizontal line can add width and dimension. Diagonal line can create dynamism and direction. Curved line can create softness and fluidity. To sum up, fashion is all about creating visually appealing outfits that express your personality and style. By understanding the elements of design for fashion, shapes and form, textures, colors, patterns, and line, you can create outfits that are memorable and impactful. These elements can work together to create a cohesive and balanced outfit that is both aesthetically pleasing and functional. We hope you enjoyed this video and learned something new about the element of design for fashion. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more videos on fashion and style. Thank you for watching and we will see you in the next one.